Okay, welcome back to Intro to Livecode, and this video is going to be presenting changing objects. Okay, you've already seen some of the objects that I've changed in the inspectors, the different inspectors, whether it's card inspector or a button inspector or what have you. But I'm going to show you. We're going to go through a little bit more on it. Well, let me get rid of that one. One thing I did notice in the lecture, the last lecture on the tools, I accidentally copied two of these buttons, and I was trying to see the difference between them. So that's kind of funny. I didn't choose this one. And so there are three different, very distinct buttons that we have. I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to open up the inspector for this button by double clicking on it. Here it is here. Let me move it there. Okay. The properties that I'm talking about is here. The basic properties. And these are the basic properties that you see. Makes it visible. It makes it opaque. Shows the name. Auto highlights and shared highlight. These are all checked. This is what will come up every time. So the basic properties was that, and the next one is icons and borders, which you can change the icon, highlight the icon, or do what you want with the icon. You can play with these, add values in each one of these so that you can look at it. Right now 3D is checked, the border's checked, and highlight the border's checked, but this is where you can make changes to that. Livecode is pretty nice. It takes a lot of the work away from a programmer because you have all these buttons already built. All these objects are already done. Normally, a normal programmer would have to program all these separately. Program the button, program the desktop, program everything. And it would take a lot of time to do it. Livecode has saved a programmer a lot of work, and you can see that, especially where you have an object and you can make the changes to that object. We've been in the colors and patterns. We can change the text. Whoop. The text color. We can make the button text blue, so it's blue. We can add the fill, change the color to that. What do we want to make it? What will make this stand out? Is there gray? Yeah, let's just put gray in there. Alright, so the button's gray and it's got blue writing, so you can make changes to the button. You can highlight the text. I don't know about this one. I'll highlight it with this. I didn't see a difference, but it made a difference. The border color, we can change the border color. Let's change it to red. I don't see a border color. Oh, wait a minute, what happened? It's probably, let me see if it'll show up here. That might be red, I don't know, but there's the border. Top 3D bevel. Let's make that a dark blue or purple. There it is, we saw that. There you go. And then bottom 3D bevel. Like a lime green. Yeah, there you go. Shadow. Let's add some shadow. Where's the black? Right there. I don't see a difference. Maybe on something else it'll show a better difference. But anyway, that's a button. Focus. Focus. Oops. Focus. Focus border. I'm not sure what that is. I don't know if that made a difference. Okay, well anyway, that's the colors. So you can see what you can do with the inspector with colors. Custom properties is an area where if you know how to do custom properties or make them yourself to add different features to the program that you're developing. If you really get good at programming in Livecode, I imagine you'd be able to do this. I've never done a custom property myself, so geometry shows where it's put on the screen. In position selected object shows this. Scale selected object shows you that, and it's about in the middle. I wonder if I move this, if it'll change. No, it didn't. Alright, let me get rid of this. No, let me go on. Alright, I was going to get rid of the button. Graphic effects. You can add a drop shadow. I guess that's what I was looking for with that other one. You can add an inner glow. Changes the inner glow. Outer glow. So you got a glow outside of it. You got an inner glow. And color overlay. Okay, those are pretty good tools if you want to add some effects to it. Let me see something. Yeah, see it. It allows you down here to change the opacity, size, spread, distance, and angle. So you can make other further changes to this button. Blending. Okay, this is something else that's different. I've never used blending, and I don't know what these mean. Okay, but each one of them is different. And you'll notice your button. It adds another effect to your button. So if you want to make different changes to it, you can do that. So, but like I said, I haven't used it. I usually go with straight buttons. Profile properties. I'm not really sure how to use that, but that's an advanced feature. Size and position. This is where you can make changes to the size and position by changing the numbers or scrolling up and down. Text formatting. This is where you can change, like button, the word, the text in there. Let's change it to New Times Roman. I passed it. Is it in there? Did I miss New Times Roman? It's not there. Well, I'll be darned. Oh, there it is. Times New Roman. There, and it just changed it. And you can change the size. 12. I don't know if that changed it. Maybe I can go 18. Yeah, there it goes. Button. So you can make it bigger. So you can italicize it. You can underline it. And on 3D box text. That didn't do anything. Maybe on something else. Strike it out too. Alright, well that's pretty much it with the different object properties. I'll go back to basic properties. So you can see what you can do with the different objects. If you have many buttons, you can come up with a different style of your own or a style that they have, but you can change the look and feel to your program by changing the object properties and the basic properties to something else. So this is kind of gives you a down and dirty on object properties, but I hope it gave you more information to go on than what I showed you earlier in other videos. So that's pretty much it for this video.